So the other day, I was very frustrated of trying to clean this kitchen of mine, especially under the hood and the cabinets that were next to it. And I had tried every home cleaning detergent or solution, and nothing was working. Or I had to use something that would ruin the surface of the hood, the fan, or the cabinets. So I asked one friend who works in a restaurant what they use to clean like the deep fryers and all these oily places, and they gave me an industry solution to clean that is used for oven and grills. So I had to do patch test on cabinets because it's plastic. Uh, it's like, I don't know what you call it, but it's not really wood, it's just a plastic cover. So you had to try to do a patch test on that, but on the hood it worked pretty easy. And then the thing is that these stains have been here for a while, and I had to like really scrub them down. I used the Scotch Brite without the one that don't have a sponge, because it has a better scoring surface, and also the sponge helps keep the what is the cleaning agent without it having to drip off the sponge. So it was very easy to clean, and I was so happy when this worked, because I was tired of having a clean kitchen, but when you look under, it's really big stains of yellow that won't come off. I also have a very big stain on top of the roof, but that was there when we moved in. But I know when it's summer, I'll work on that. So as you can see, even on top of the hood, it had turned color. I had tried on everything to clean it, but nothing. So I was very happy when this worked. I'll be using this solution inside the spice cabinet. You can see the spices right here. I'll also use it where I keep my pots, because I had seen like the marks from the pots, and also that's where I keep my cooking oil. So yeah, all those, and it's like I don't know how the oil stains got to the pantry. So that's another place I need to clean, and also remove the cooker, pull it out and clean in between the gaps, the three gaps, the one on the wall, on the one on the side of both, on the side of the cooker, and also some of the yellow stains around this cooking top. I had also forgotten about the light part, and after I removed the cover for the light was very yellow, and once it was clean, the light even became more brighter. Yeah. The filter, there's a sponge that is between the filter and the hood. That one was disintegrating when I washed it in hot water, so I'll have to find another one and replace it. But for now, we're just using it like that. I don't know how dangerous that is, but given that we don't cook that often, or we don't deep fry food, then for now it will be safe. So you can see the status of when you pull the cooker. It's not that bad, but I've not pulled it, I think, since the summer. So this is something I do at least spring cleaning, or after the summer, or yeah, when I feel I have energy to deep clean. These are some of the things that I do. Inside the oven is not that dirty because we don't use the oven that much, but when we do, we make sure we line the oven, and we mostly use the steam option than the grill. I love this solution, and I'll give you an alternative to find in the store. Yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.